In the snowy heart of Japan's Jigokudani monkey park, the Japanese macaque, or snow monkey, exhibits a winter ritual that fascinates visitors worldwide. These intelligent primates have discovered the soothing warmth of hot springs, and each winter, hundreds gather to partake in what seems like a primordial spa day. As snowflakes dance around, young and old macaques soak in the steamy pools, unwittingly creating a breathtaking scene of serenity and communal bonding. Known for their tolerance to cold, macaques also engage in meticulous grooming practices, ensuring social harmony amidst the soothing waters. This remarkable behavior highlights an adaptable survival skill, compelling viewers to ponder the unique connections between nature's creatures and their environments.